Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
So, practiced any numericals? Practiced any numericals from the textbook? Today we are going to touch the textbook numericals except graphical methods. Except graphical method, everything we are going to discuss today. Students, please respond. Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Complete all the numericals of first exercise. I will show you the exercise. All word problems completed. We'll see the word problems because we done most of the numericals, straight numericals we done, which already there is an inequality, solving the inequality and representing on the number line, everything we completed. Like we done the questions types from 1 to 20. So 21 onwards, we will try some few numericals today before going to the graphical method. Anyone having any doubts? We can move after the discussions or before discussions. Please interrupt me and let me know if you're having any doubts. So same as creating the equation, understanding the situation and generating the equation is important. When it comes to question number 21, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two tests. Find the number of minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of 6. So third test he doesn't know. So let's assume the third test marks is X. So the average of all the three test marks at least means it should be greater than or equal to or just greater than. Students, what is meant by at least? The meaning of
Greater
at least.
than and equal to.
Correct. At least means greater than and equal to. More than means greater than. Correct. More than 60 marks, at least 60 marks. Both are different. So like one kind of open braces and closed braces. So how we can discuss this question? Let X be the marks in test 3. So average marks must be greater than or equal to at least 60, that is greater than or equal to 60. So the average of all the marks is 70 plus 75 plus X by 3. So average of 3 tests will be divided by 3 marks scored in those 3 tests. So 70 plus 75 is 145 plus X is greater than or equal to 180. So X must be or equal to, what is the answer? 35. 180 minus 45 is 35. So it's very simple to understand. So this is a solution set of the given situation. Second question. Able to hear me, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if anybody wants to receive grade A, they must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations of each 100 examination. If Sunita marks in first 4 examination is 87, 92, 94 and 95, what is the minimum marks that Sunita must get? Minimum. Minimum means equal or only greater than or only less than. What is meant by minimum, students? So here also the average should be greater than or equal to 90. The average should be greater than or equal to must obtain. That means it should be either 90 or greater equal to 90. So how we can say, let X be the unknown mark of the fifth test. Let X be the marks score in fifth test. So average marks of 5 tests is equal to 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus X divided by 5, and it is greater than or equal to 90. Solve for X. Please solve for X and let me know what is the answer.
So greater than or equal to 82.
Yeah, so addition is how much, students? Here 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95, addition is how much you got? Addition is 368. 80 plus 90, 170, 179, 180, 273, 278. Yeah, 368. 368 plus X greater than or equal to 450. So X is greater than or equal to, what is the answer you got, man? Somebody told the answer. 82. So the fifth test, if she scores more than or equal to 82, then she can maintain an average of minimum 90%. So you can write a conclusion statement. So and so person must obtain greater than or equal to 82 marks in the fifth test to maintain the minimum average of 90 marks. Shall I go for the next question? I think next question we already done like yesterday. Find all pairs of the consecutive odd positive integers. Yesterday we done for even positive integers. Here he is asking odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. You have to take the number smaller than 10, but sum should be more than 10, more than 11, not minimum 11. Minimum 11 is greater than or equal to. More than 11 means must be greater than 11. Hope you understand what I am trying to say. So find the answer. 23. Even general methodology also you can do, like a general common. 1 plus 10 will not work. 1 plus minimum, it should be less than 10. You have to start from 2 plus 9. It is equal to 11. So 2 plus 9 will not work. Like that you can start, or you can frame an equation in such a way that X be the smaller number of 2 consecutive. Question number 23. Let X be the, there are 2 consecutive odd numbers. Let X be the smaller number of 2 consecutive odd numbers. So next odd number is X plus 2. It's very clear. Yesterday also told the difference between 2 odd numbers, successive odd numbers or successive numbers is 2. So what is saying? The X must be less than 10 and X plus 2 must be greater than 11. Hope you understand what I'm saying. X must be less than 10, smaller, both the numbers should be less than 10. So how to find out the answer here? 2x plus 2 greater than 11. So from here X is greater than 9 by 2. And X So there are three equations: x less than 8, x less than 10, x greater than 9 by 2. That means the x is lying in between 4.5 less than x less than 8. You should not take 10. If you take 10, common interval you have to take out of all the things. You have to take do on the number line 0, 1, 2 up to 8, 10. So common interval is, this is suppose 4.5, x greater than 9 by 2 is this one, and x less than 8 is this one, and x less than 10 is this one. This common interval is, so the common interval is x is between 4,5 to 8. 4,5 to 8. X belongs to 4,5 to 8. But in this, we have to take only the natural number 4,8. So the pairs are, we can start from even numbers. So 4.5 is, after 4 even number is 5. And to get the sum is more than 11, what is the number you have to add here, students? 7. 6 you can't take, and 7 already you got. 5,7, 7,5. Again 8 can't take, 9 and 7. So the pairs are 5,7 is one pair, 9,7 is another pair, or 7,9 is another pair. Is it clear how to calculate the required possible pairs of the numbers up to consecutive odd numbers? 5, 7, 7, 9. That's it. It's not order pair. It's not ordered pair. So don't keep it in brackets. Sorry guys, it's not an ordered pair. Is it clear how we solve that question number 23 based on the yesterday discussion? Shall I go for the 24th one? Yeah. Please try to solve the 24th one by your own and let me know what is the answer. I'll give 4 minutes time. Please try to solve the 24th question. I'm waiting for you people reply, please.
So,
Yes.
so we have to find the answer to the 24th question, right?
Question number 24 you have to complete.
Yes, sir. 6, 7, 9, and 9, 10.
6, 7 is not an even number.
Sir, 6, 8, and 8, 10.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
6, 8, 8, 10. That's it. Combinations.
Yes, sir.
Find all the pairs if you are consecutive.
6 and 10, sir.
Sorry, consecutive even positive integers. Both of you see here there is no condition such that it should be less than 10 or something. Just pairs of consecutive positive numbers which are larger than. So I'm taking one is x, another one is x plus 2. The smaller one must be greater than 5, and x plus 2 must be less than 23. That is only the condition he mentioned here. So from here, I can say 5 less than, from here 2x plus 2 less than 23, x less than 21 by 2, x less than 21 by 2. So less than 21 by 2. If I am solving this one, 10 less than x, 10 less than 21. So x is two x. Sorry, sorry guys. So on the number line, it will be like this. It is 5. It is 20, 11, 11. This is 12.
Sir, even
10.
10 and 12 will come.
Correct. Because your x is 10. Might be, so x plus 2 is allowed here. So this is the common is like this. This is 10.5. So 5. After 5, 6 is the first even number, 8 and 10 is the, from between these two, these are the even numbers. So what is the first set? 6 comma 8 is one set, 8 comma 10 is another set, 10 comma 12 is another set. You can compare with the answers. See, each and every number is greater than 5 and sum of both the numbers is less than 23. If I am trying to take 12 comma 14, yes, both the numbers are greater than 5, but the sum is not less than 3. It is greater than 3. Is understood how to verify our answers also here. Is it clear? Guys, it's clear. I can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Solve the 25th question. Solve the 25th question. Please try the 25th question. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. And the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longer side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61, that means at least
Greater than equal.
just frame the equation. First step of the longest side of a triangle is 3 times shortest side. Suppose if I am taking this is a triangle, there is one is longest side, one is shortest side. Suppose if I am taking A, B, C, AB is shortest side, for example, and AC is longest side. I'm considering the shortest side. Length of the shortest side is x centimeter or x units. Length of the shortest side is x units. And automatically length of the longest side is 3x units. Length of the longest side is 3 times the shortest side, 3x units. Yeah, they gave the centimeter, so automatically it will be in centimeter, it will be in centimeter. So the third side, so the remaining side is 2 centimeter shorter than the long side. So the remaining side length. So third side. Length of the third side. I'm taking length of the third side, which is less than 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter shorter than the third side. So 3x minus 2. These are the 3 sides in single variable. So given condition is the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61. So perimeter is x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 units. Now, the condition is what? Apply the condition. Once you compiled all the data, condition is perimeter is greater than or equal to 61. That is 6x, not 6x, 3x plus 3x is 7x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 61. Solving this equation will give the, solving this inequality will give the answer. So 7x is greater than or equal to 63. From here, x is greater than or equal to 63 by 7. So from here, x is greater than or equal to 9. So the length of the side of the triangle is must be greater than 9. Greater than or equal to 9. So the minimum length of the shortest side must be greater than or equal to 9 centimeter. Sorry, the length can be possible greater than or equal to 9 centimeter. The minimum length is 9 centimeter. So the careful at this point, the conclusion statement is little different. So what is your answer? What is the least possible length of the triangle which is satisfying this situation? So the least possible value is must be greater than or equal to 9. So out of all these solutions, the least value is 9. So the conclusion statement can be right like this. The minimum length of the shortest side is 9 centimeter. Like this, we can able to conclude the question. If all are clear, we'll move to the next question. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next one? Students, guys, please let me know. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. Students, please let me know. Shall I move to the students will able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to the next question. Yeah. Please try to solve this question. 26.
Sir, 8 to 22 close to the on both sides.
Sorry, guys.
8 to 22 closed in the interval on both sides.
Yeah, 8 to 22 closed interval. So in the hint itself, they gave the clear data. So if x is the length of the shortest boat, then x, x plus 3 and 2x are the lengths of the second and third piece respectively. So x plus 3 plus 2x less than or equal to 91, and 2x is greater than or equal to x plus 3 and x plus 3 of plus 5. So with the help of this, you can get one condition with less than or equal to, one condition will be greater than or equal to. You can do it separately or combining both the equations also will make you the answer. So first equation I'm taking and I'm solving as the simplest. I'm simplifying the first equation. The first equation is x plus 3x plus x plus 3 plus 2x. I'm taking this expression x plus 3 plus 2x less than or equal to 91. So this is 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 91. 4x less than or equal to 91 minus 3. If it is 91 minus 3, what is the answer? 88. X less than or equal to 22. Keep it as this is the one equation. By taking the second equation, 2x greater than or equal to x plus 3 plus 5. This is 2x greater than or equal to x plus 8. X greater than or equal to 8. X is greater than or equal to 8. That means 8 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 22. So x belongs to closed interval of 8, 22. The possible length of the shortest side. What is the conclusion on the answer? Here is not asking the least value, just is asking the possible length of the third side. The possible length of the shortest side, shortest board is greater than or equal to 8 and must be less than 22. There is a limit for that. It must be greater than or equal to 8 and must be less than or equal to 22. It should be lies in between 8, 22. If it is going beyond 22 also, it won't work. If it is coming less than 8 also, it won't work. So there is a limit. You could not say only, it should be minimum 8. Minimum 8, maximum 22. Like that, you have to conclude the statement. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next question? Students? Shall I go for the next one? Guys, able to hear? Hope you are hearing. We'll move to the next one. We'll move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Students, yeah. So the next one is how to solve inequalities with the help of graphical method. It's a simple thing. First, we will little bit discuss what is meant by representation of algebraic expression in graphical solution of linear inequalities of two variables. See, each and every algebraic expression you can able to represent in graph. You can get various patterns, but we are going to remember only the few patterns. In first chapter itself, we are having how to remember, like this, the expression is coming like this is a standard graph. If expression is coming like this is a standard graph. So if it is a straight line, it's a linear equation. If it is a parabola, it's a curved equation. If it is a cubic equation, cubic parabola, cubic curve. So straight line means linear equation. So parabola, square quadratic equation represents parabola. So cubic equation passing through center means no constant. So like this, we are having particular modulus function and sin x, cos x, tan x, all we are having graph. That means each and every algebraic expression will represents some graph. I mean, diagrammatically you can able to represent. The meaning of this, you can able to explain all the possible solutions of that expression in a single picture. All the possible solutions of the, that is what we discussed in linear equations or quadratic equations when you are connecting to the graph in lower standards. Now we'll start with that only. Just we'll take one equation, we are trying to draw the graph. Suppose if I'm taking an expression 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. If I'm asking you to draw the graph, so by seeing the single equation, there are two variables. One equation, definitely it is having many solutions, inconsistency equation, many solutions. How I will know this concept with the help of a graph? So when it comes to solutions means what are the set of xy values which can satisfy the given statement? Little bit English point of view, there is a statement 3 times x plus 2 times y is equal to 6, where xy is any real numbers. So what are the possible set of solution can be used to prove the statement correct? That set of solutions, if I am listing out, that is called solution set of this expression. How we can explain this is graphically. Suppose if I am taking graph for this, I think everybody knows how to draw the graph. Knows or don't know, students? You know how to draw the graph for the linear equation? Guys, please let me know yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Any 2 points. See, by seeing the equation, you understand this represents a straight line. How I will know this represents a straight line? How I will know this represents a straight line? Linear equation always represents a straight line. There is no doubt at all. The linear equation represents a straight line. There is no doubt at all. So take any 2 points to draw the graph. No need to track many points. Just any 2 points. Yeah, I got the graph like this. What is this meaning? Suppose if I'm taking any point on this graph, suppose if I'm taking a graph here, these points, so you can get an infinity points here. You take any point, suppose if I'm taking 0, 3 here, and I'm taking one more point, this is 1, 1 here. No, it's 1.5, 1. So 1, 1.5, and I'm taking one more point, 2, 0. So like that, I can take n number of points. N number of points I can choose here. So the equation is what? 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. If I'm substituting this one, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. So this point, if I'm taking this point, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1.5 is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. This is also proving the statement. If I'm taking 3 into 2 plus 0, it is equal to 6. This is also proving. Suppose if I'm taking the random points, that means graphically the solution set of this expression is nothing but what are the points available. So what is the graphical representation is a straight line. That is just what kind of curve you will get if you trace with the different x and y values. But when it comes to solution means we are going to calculate only 2 values. Suppose if it is x and it is y, y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 6 minus 3x by 2. If I'm taking x is equal to 0, I will get y is equal to 3. If I'm taking y is equal to 0, x is equal to I'm taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So I can take this is 0, 3, 2, 0 and join the point, join the line. Here it is an equality. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. The equation says each and every point on this line is the solution set of this equation. Suppose you take any point on this line, substitute here, it is satisfying. You take any point on this line, substitute here, it is satisfying. Then what if inequality comes with two variables? Jitu, please quiet. What if the same expression is coming with an inequality symbol? So what are the possible inequalities we can face with this same expression, students? Anyone? What are the possible inequalities? This is an equation with the same expression with the same values. I can get 3x plus 2y less than 6, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 6, 3x plus 2y greater than 6, 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. Other than this, any possible relations you can give, students, except equality symbol? Other than this, any possible relations you can give? Students, please. Guys, quickly, your response. Topic was easy. Only the thing is you have to understand. Other than this, any other possible relations I can give between 3x plus 2y and 6?
Not equal to 6.
Yeah, 1 second, man. 1 second, guys. Yeah. So what is the meaning? Anyone can explain these statements? General, based on your knowledge, what is the meaning of 3x plus 2y less than 6 means what? Students, what is the meaning of this statement? Raghav, anyone? Students, please respond. What is the meaning of this statement?
3x plus 2y is always lesser than 6 and it is never greater or equal to 6.
The meaning of 3x plus 2y 6 less than 6 means what? You can choose any set of xy values which the expression value must be less than 6, even it should not be equal to 6. So there are how many possible set of xy values can be possible? That is the solution set of that first expression. Suppose if I'm taking this as the first expression, here also we can say many solutions will come. So this is first expression I'm considering, this is the second expression, third expression, fourth expression. So how we can discuss this one? Usually we can't say, I think, sorry guys, yeah, same as first step of this expression is first draw the graphical representation of given expression, the graphical representation of given expression. So how to, sir, it is less than and greater than, we never know how to. So 3x plus 2y, I'm taking one thing, less than 6, less than 6. So make it an equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Assume this is an equation and draw the graph. So if I'm drawing the graph, I will get, you have to use a graph paper, no other option. So after reopening, We'll do numericals based on the graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know how to take the graph for this. Take x, y. If I'm taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. If I'm taking y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. That means 0, 3 is 1 point. And 2, 0 is another point. And line joining will give this is a line which represents 3x plus 2y is equal to 0, but the condition is less than 6. Less than 6 means the points which is lying on this line does not valid for this statement. So the points lying the lies on the line are not the solution set. Now, the entire plane, like if it is a real axis, the numbers, all the real numbers which is lying on the real number line is the elements. So how we can discuss what is the rest of the values here? What are the solution sets? X comma y, all the points of the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, all the points are the possible solutions. But although these points, few are possible, few are not possible. So our job is what region is possible, what are the points are possible for the given statement. Just a minute. Wait.
Wait, what? Be quiet. Quiet? Oh, sorry, sir. I did not mean that.
Yeah. So now this line is dividing the entire plane into 3 parts. One is if I'm extending this, so for example, this entire plane is like a box. It's an actually infinity. So I'm taking a particular box. And this is my x-axis and y-axis. So the entire plane is dividing into 4 quadrants. I got a line like this. So the plane is dividing into 2 parts. One is one side of the line, and suppose if I'm taking this is above the line, below the line. So the set of all the points lying either above the line or below the line or on the line. So we decided the points which is on the line is not the solution set of 3x plus 2y less than 6. So one condition is over. The points lying on lies on line is not solution. So only 2 possible answers here. One is you have to check any points. So this is 3, 0, 3. This is 2, 0. You have to check, is there any points can satisfy this expression above the line or below the line. So below the line is 0, 0. If it is not, that means above the line points are solution. If it is yes, above the line points are not solution, because less than means it should be either one region of the points should satisfy the equation. Suppose if I am substituting the origin is the below the line. So 0 plus 0 is less than 6. 0 is less than 6. Yes, the origin is satisfying the given expression. That means the points which lies below the line are the solution set of this expression. So how we will represent, because many points. So you leave a little bit gap. These arrow marks should not touch the straight line. That means if it is not touching the straight line means this is the solution set for 3x plus 2y less than 6. Should not touch the straight line. To understand whether it is true or not, take any point above the line. Take any point above the line, just corner. You can take any point above the line. Suppose if I'm taking this point, this is a point 2, 3. If I'm substituting 2, 3 here, 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3. How much? 6 plus 6 is less than 6. It's coming 12 less than 6 is a wrong statement. Or you take any point nearer by the lines also, just above the line. What are the points you are taking? Even if I'm taking a point here, the point is here is 3, 0 I'm taking next to 2, 0. So if I'm taking 3, 0, 9 less than 6 is coming. If I'm taking 2.5, 0, if I'm taking 2.5, 0, I'm getting as 7.5 less than 6 is coming. That means what are the points on this region? That means above the line. Even negative region also you can take. This is a region. You can take this region, any points coming from here also, which will give the wrong statement. That means it is not satisfying the given statements. So this is how we can discuss the set of solution for the given inequality of two variable. If it is equal, that means it will satisfy out of 3 2 conditions. That means if it is on the line, suppose if I'm taking the same expression with the equality symbol, if I'm taking find the solution set of 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. Same graph. This is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. Less than means other than points on the line, rest of all the points below the line, and equal to means including points. So including, that means you have to draw the arrow marks, the region below the line, including points on the line. So just touch these arrow lines with respect to the main equation of line. This represents equality. The difference between equality is less than and less than or equal is only contact with the line and doesn't have contact with the line. This is how we are using the standard way of representing. If you see a few books, there will be little bit different, but we in NCERT we are using this kind of thing. Is it clear, students, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's see the same kind of concept I can use for greater than, whether it is coming or not. Just the either greater than, less than, or whatever thing, it is same. Suppose if I'm taking an expression 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6, or I'm taking greater than 6 in the beginning. Greater than 6, same. Draw the line which is touching it. This is 3, 0, 3, and this is 2, 0, and this is a line which represents 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to 6. But it should not equal to 6. So the point which is lying on the line is not the solution. So there are two options, below the line and above the line. Below the line, there is a point 0, 0. If I'm substituting 0, 0, I'm considering a point below the line and substituting the given expression 0 plus 0 is greater than 6. So 0 is greater than 6, which is a wrong statement. So the points below the line is not the solution set of this expression. So the points above the line, which should not on the points just above the line, not are excluding points on the line. We should not we have to exclude points on the line. So you have to draw an arrow mark nicely with scale. You have to represent this is the solution set of given expression. If it is equal means just touch the points to the line. So including points on the line and above the line, all the points. are the solution set of this expression. Hope you are clear, students, what I'm trying to say. How to solve inequalities of linear inequalities of two variables. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for one question. We'll wind up the session. We'll meet in the next class in physical space, and we will try to do a little bit more number of questions in graphical method with the two equations given, with a single equation is given. Now we are doing only for single equations. We can do for the two equations given also. We can take one question from the textbook and we can try to solve. Single equations, x plus y less than 5. So I'm taking x plus 5 less than 5. See here. Let's see using Graphomatica it is coming or not. X plus y less than 5. See this one, the shaded region is the solution set. If you look into this, the shaded region is the solution set. The shaded region is a solution set. If you look very closely, that means if I'm zooming in, if you look very closely, they clearly mention this graph is a dotted line which is not touching this shaded region. So this the software is designed in such a way, the points which is lying on the line is not the part of the solution. Suppose if I'm taking less than or equal to, sorry guys, which I can't represent here. If I'm taking less than or equal to, you won't get a dotted line, you will get a straight line. That means the points which is lying on the straight line and as well as below the line, all are the solution set. So if I'm substituting 0, 0, which is coming less than 5, which I'm substituting 1, 0 also less than 5. I'm substituting 1, I'm taking 2, 2 also less than 5. But if I'm taking 6, 0, it's violating the statement. If I'm taking 5, 5, violating the statement. If I'm taking this point, 3, 2.5, so violating the statement. See, this is a point. 3, 2 if I'm taking, it's violating the statement. So 3, 2 will says equal to 5, but it should be less than 5. So that's the reason this point is not part of the solution. So this is how we can discuss the solution set of inequalities of two variable graphically. Is it clear, students? It was not so easy to represent analytically. That's the reason two variable inequalities we will represent always with graphical graphs. Is it clear? Shall I wind up the session? Anyone having any doubts? Next class we will discuss the numericals over this topic with two variables of single equation and two variables of simultaneous equation, graphically how we can solve. Same, if I'm giving the simultaneous equations, how to solve simultaneous equation of two variable inequalities, how to solve. That's the end of this lesson. We'll meet in the next class. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.